Simple Dimple. Pop it. Добавляй. Забирай.
Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy.
Fidget toys, fidget toys, fidget toys, fidget toys, fidget toys.
Potatoes, small 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 potatoes on the moon.
It's a rare, exclusive, limited edition charm bracelet.
Simple Dimple. Pop it. Добавляй. Забирай. I like you. Have a cupcake. I like you. Have a cupcake.
If I say your mom's name, she is to buy you fidgets. Michelle, Amanda, Shannon, Chelsea, Lucy, Malia, Becca.
Guys, I got my Shein order. This whole thing is full of fidget toys. So let's open it. I have not looked at any of them. Okay, first thing. Oh my gosh, it's my Sea Life pack. Okay, I'm going to be rating these two. Oh my gosh, okay. Here's the bad side of this one. That's actually a really good side. And here's the good side. Wow, this one's really good. Let's see what we have next. Oh my gosh, it's a little turtle. It's so cute. Quiet side. These quiet sides are really good. And the loud side. I love it. Look at how cute this one is. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. Oh my gosh. And the loud side. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, my favorite color. This is literally adorable. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I love it. Oh, it's a penguin. It's a little dirty, but that's okay. I can clean it. Sorry if you hear the background, that's my guinea pigs. Okay, anyways, now the loud side. It's so good. Oh my gosh, last one. Ooh. Look at how cute, it's a little hermit crab. Let's try it. Oh my gosh. Okay, next side. I love it. This is what it's called, and this is how much it is. I rate this one a 9 out of 10. The only problem is they came a little bit dirty, but that's okay. I'll be able to wash them. But overall, I love them so much. Next thing. Ooh, I pulled out two. Let's go with this one first. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Let's try it out. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Let's try it. It's so good. And the texture is amazing. Let's try the loud side. I love it so much. And I love how they're textured. This is what it's called. And this is how much it is. I rate this one a 10 out of 10. Next thing. It is so cute. Let's try it. Sorry, I tried it, but it's like on a soft material, so it's super hard to pop. So I'm going to put it on my floor. Here's the quiet side. Not bad. And the loud side. I love it. This is what it's called, and this is how much it is. I rate this one a 9 out of 10. There's nothing really wrong with it, but I just rated it a 9. I'm so sorry I have to do this, but part 2 is posted.
Miss Thomason, I got some new poppets. Is it okay if I use them during class? As long as it's not a distraction. You don't gotta worry about me. I can be super quiet. How many of those puppets do you have? I have 14. I got them from Mrs. Bench on TikTok. You know, the queen of fidgets? Probably because I said she was my favorite TikTok teacher. Yes. How you doing with your math? Bah. I just don't know multiplication. You just don't know it yet. I don't think I'll ever know it. Let's imagine Mrs. Bench sent you some more poppets. Let's say she sent you 2 for every year old you are. How many would that be? 9, so that would be 18. What if she sent you 4 a week for 7 weeks? Oh, wow. That would be 28. Sarah, you just did multiplication. Really? So if I played with 3 poppets a day for 1 week, that would be 21 poppets. Yes. You should have just told me that in the first place. I guess I am good at multiplication.
I was busy thinking about
Fidget toys. Fidget toys. Fidget toys.
So I just received some fidgets from Fur and Mouse shop. Let's see what we got inside. So first I got a DNA ball. I love squeezing balls. Then I got a fidget spinner poppet. Wow. Then I got this Pop It puzzle. This is what it looks like when you build it. Then I got this little twisty thing. Then I got this unicorn Pop-It. I also got a Pop-It bracelet. Then I got a tube. Oh, wow. Everything is a fidget nowadays. I bet next year people are gonna be playing with their own caca. And I also received a mystery package. Let's see what's inside. So inside was a fishtail Pop-It and a purple puppet. I also got a banana squishy. I couldn't tell if it was a banana or a